Hi stars! In this video I'm going to show you how we're going to take this artwork that my daughter made and turn it into this adorable Valentine's Day keepsake. The silhouette is of my daughter, and I'm going to show you how you can take a photo of your own child and turn it into a silhouette and then transfer onto the canvas. This canvas is so beautiful and it makes a great, inexpensive Valentine's Day gift. This is also perfect for babies and toddlers that are just starting out with scribbles because you can use just about any drawing for those hearts. So let's get started. The first thing you'll want to do is have your child make a piece of art. This is really fun for kids because the messier it is, the better the hearts look. So let them use whatever they want, as many different materials as they'd like. The more stuff they use, the better your hearts are going to come out. Once the artwork is completely dry, I cut out hearts in various shapes and sizes. I like to bend them in half to give them a 3D shape when they're on the canvas. I like to cut out as many as possible so I have a variety to pick from when I'm placing them on the canvas. Once you have all of your hearts, go ahead and set those to the side, and we're going to move on to turning your photo into a silhouette. I'm using a software called Canva, which is completely free and in my opinion easy to navigate. The first thing I'm doing is clicking on Create New Design, select Custom Size, and I'm changing the unit to inches. I'm then typing in what size my canvas is. This will bring up this blank page. At the bottom, hit Uploads, and then click on Upload Files. Find the photo that you'd like to turn into a silhouette and click on it. You'll now be able to find that photo in Images. Click on it to add it to your canvas, and then we're going to hit Background Removal. This will remove the background from your canvas. If you'd like, you can use the brush to get rid of any stray hairs like I'm doing right here. Once you're satisfied with how the photo looks, we're going to go ahead and resize it to your canvas. This is personal preference, but as you see, I'm bringing it all the way to the edge and then making it about the size I would like it to be on the canvas. This size is perfect, so I'm going to go to the bottom again and hit Effects. Select on Duotone, and then change both colors to black. Make sure they're the exact same color black. Once you're happy with everything, you're going to go up to the top and hit the download button. I'm saving mine to my phone's files, so go ahead and rename it and save it to your phone's files as well. And then after that, we can go ahead and click out of Canva, go to your files and find this file that you just saved. You're going to open it up and then hit the printing option and go ahead and get this printed out so we can move on to the next step. Okay guys, here's the page that we just printed. I'm going to go ahead and quickly cut this out. At this point you have two options. You could just take that cutout and adhere it to the canvas and leave it like that and begin adding your hearts. However, what I prefer to do is this method here. This is the one I did last year. As you can see, my son pulled off the hearts, so I will be fixing that. But this one, I actually painted that silhouette on, and I'm going to show you how to do that. This is my preferred method. I personally just like the way it looks better, so let's get started with that. I take a small piece of painter's tape and stick it to the back of the cutout. I then place the cutout where I like it to be on the canvas, and very slowly I go around with a pencil and make a light outline with it. After my outline is complete, I'll carefully go in with my favorite acrylic black paint and paint the silhouette. You should end up with something that looks like this, and then after that, all you have to do is adhere your hearts. I like to use hot glue for these, but I think that regular glue would hold up just fine. I just love this so much. It's so precious, so cute. It's such a giftable craft. I feel like this would be perfect for grandparents, or even just to use as Valentine's Day decor, which is what I do. But I hope that this tutorial helped you guys, and I hope that you end up making this too, because again, it's just so sweet. Bye!